Hope all are having a great time just like me. Today, I'm going to talk some sentences about how to learn English very fast. For this reason, it's going to be an interesting video with the wasting time. Let's get it started. So, first of all, to learn English, we have to do one thing that will help us most, and we don't have another options to do without that. That is practice. Every day practice English however you can, anytime you get and anywhere you can. Like you are in your school, but you are making sentences in English. And if you don't have any partner, you can think in English. So most of you might ask me, what is thinking in English? How to think in English? So thinking in English is um, you think many things every day in your mother language. Just you have to translate that in English. Like I'm going to my school, and in that time I'm thinking that what will be happen today, what I'll do. I have completed my all kinds of works. Have I completed my homeworks or not? Like the sentences we usually think while going towards to our school. So if we convert the like these sentences into English from our mother language, it is called thinking in English. Means all the time you are speaking English. So if you do like this method, if you follow this rule, you will be capable to learn English very fast, and it will be very easy for you. And I suggest you to write every day about anything, like your day, holiday, vacations, like this common subject you can use, and you should write. And most important thing, that you should listen. So listening is a very important method, because it has excellent result. I am giving you example that you have used this method to learn your mother language. So when you born, you didn't know how to make sounds, how to speak a language, but in that time you just hear it to your parents, brothers and sisters, everywhere, everyone, that language they are talking, you tried to make noise, you tried to speak like them, and you tried to hear what are they saying. So by listening, you have learned how to speak that language, how to make sounds like this. So like this way the listening skill works. So if you listen every day, it will help you most to learn a language like English. And what I suggest to you that don't think English is a subject. English is a language. Always think this, not a subject, because subject that you can do that things. Like math is a subject. I can calculate anything I want by math. Like this way, math is a subject, but English is not a subject. By English you can't do mathematics. By English you can't measurement anything like table or others. You can't do this. Just you can speak, and you can express your thinking to your friends, to your partner. So this is not a subject, it's a language. We have to think this as a language. So if you do like these things, it will be very easy for you to learn English, to learn a new language. For this reason, I suggest you follow these rules. I am sure you will get a great benefit. And to my last sentence, that is, practice every day, anywhere and anytime. That's all for this video. See you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.